Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cosecant of x to the power of 4, we can put into cosecant of x squared, cosecant of x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosecant of x squared equals to cotang x squared plus 1. So I need to change this one into this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to cotang x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So we have negative cosecant of x squared dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by u. And we have u squared. Similar for this one. This one we change by negative du. So u to the power of 6 multiplied by u squared and number 1. Now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of a. We have u to the power of 9 over 9. This one we have number 7 over 7. And we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.